All right, one thing I love talking about is new products, and with that, I've got some new products from our friends at Skinz for the Matrix chassis. So for 2026, I wanted to do a breakdown of what exactly they have new and how it relates to you guys and better performance on the snow. So first and foremost, you have the standard Skinz helium hood for the Matrix, 2 heated storage compartments, loses 8 pounds, runs both the 7S gauge and the standard gauge, just like literally a must-have go-to, gets rid of that weight up high on the chassis, and something that, you know, we've ran, well, since 2022. New for this year, we've got a couple different things. One is we have this new laminated plastic Skinz hood. And so basically the difference is instead of paying the extra $200 for the beautiful shiny paint here for you guys who are wrapping your sled anyway or love like that matte kind of all black look, the laminated hood will take a beating and takes you know, an Arctic Effects wrap really well. So save some money without having to do the paint. So that's, I really like that cost-effective option that Skinz added this year. But most notably, and something that you saw on a couple of my sleds last year, and you're starting to see it trickle here at the beginning of this season, is the new Guzzler intake. And so I wanted to take a couple minutes and break down exactly what the Guzzler intake is. All right, so here's what we have with the Guzzler intake. So again, let's back up and just talk about, you know, what is this new product all about? Well, it's about having our sleds perform on those days that we dream about, the bottomless snow, where snow is coming up over the hood. That's when we want our sleds to perform at their best, especially on the boost side of things. The NAs perform really well in that deep stuff, but still can benefit from some of the things, and I'll get into that in a second. So first and foremost, what you're going to see from a visual standpoint is that this intake is, you know, very three-dimensional, meaning that it has a bunch of different angles for the surface area. And we did that by design. You'll see some other intakes out there on the market that, again, trying to find a solution to a problem on those mega deep days where snow is everywhere. What we have found is when you are running an intake with a flat surface, obviously snow can pile up onto that, which causes restriction in airflow, which causes poor performance in the deep snow conditions. And so again, one of the big benefits of the Guzzler side of things is multiple areas to draw air from, okay? The other thing, most notably that I saw as a big advantage was the material that the intake is made out of. Okay, so for one, two big things for me that it had to achieve for me or check off the list. A, it had to be strong. I hit a lot of stuff. I rolled my snowmobile a bunch, and it needed to be durable. So that was priority number one, and that's something that like is huge for me. So durability was number one, and number two, functionality. Right, it needs to work. So again, you know, kind of restating. So what you'll see is with this actual fabric that they use, it's different than the frog skin material that most of the other companies are using out there. And what we have found with that material is it is way less resistant from a snow sticking standpoint. And then also, especially on the boost applications, when you let off the turbo and the wastegate basically blows that air back through the air intake system, that snow literally just poofs and blows away. So again, that filter material is something that we're really proud of on this design. The three-dimensional, again, having snow not be able to sit on it, and then the durability or robustness of being in Narville and not wanting to worry about breaking something. So those are the three big things that you're going to notice on the Guzzler kit. And again, we have that available for boost and naturally aspirated. All right, so specifically on the boost application, one thing that you're going to see is this is as direct of a cold air induction system as you can get. Literally, it comes in through the air intake screen here. There's an under hood intake plenum that I'll show you in just a second, and then a 3-inch pipe that goes directly to the turbo. So again, two things you're going to see is decreased air intake temperatures because you're literally drawing all the cold air up here, and then you're from an audible standpoint, you can hear in a lot of my videos that turbo bark or wastegate, and again expelling snow from the air intakes as well. That's something that is one of the key features and or advantages of this style of intake. So one of the additional benefits of the Guzzler air intake system is honestly the simplicity of it. So basically a plate that seals off any under hood air, and so again you're essentially just grabbing all cold air from the intake screen on the outside of the sled. There's a spot for your airflow sensor. We basically re-velcro your GPS on there for you 7S guys, and then a simple 3-inch pipe that's ducted directly to the turbo. So again, pretty simple design and lightweight and effective. All right, so to recap, I just want to give you a breakdown again of the configuration of the hoods with the new products for this season. So first and foremost, the standard Skinz hood that you've become to know on the Matrix chassis for both NA and Boost. This loses your 8 pounds and has your 2 heated storage compartments. Next, available for the painted standard Skinz hood is the Guzzler intake for both Boost and naturally aspirated. And then for those guys looking for a little bit of a deal or more budget-friendly priced hood, for especially if you're going to be wrapping your sled, we've got the laminated hood, and that comes available in the standard hood, and it also comes available with the Guzzler package for Boost and naturally aspirated. Hope that answers a bunch of your questions on the new product for this year. If not, hit me up in the comments below and I'll give you a hand as best I can.